Welcome. Today we'll guide you on how to disable video autoplaying on mobile data on Facebook with the latest updates. Let's go through the steps together. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your Android device. Ensure you're logged into your account to access your news feed. Step 2. Tap on the three-line menu icon located in the upper right corner of the app. This icon will open a menu with various options for customization. Step 3. Scroll down the menu and tap on Settings and Privacy. From there, select Settings to access the settings for your Facebook account. Step 4. In the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the Media option. Tap on Media to access media-related settings on Facebook. Step 5. Within the Media settings, locate the Autoplay option. Tap on Autoplay to access the Autoplay settings for videos on your Facebook app. Step 6. In the Autoplay settings, you'll see options for video playback preferences. Tap on Mobile Data and Wi-Fi and unmark it. Select another option like Wi-Fi only or Never Autoplay videos, depending on your preference. By following these steps, you can customize your Facebook app settings to disable video autoplaying specifically on mobile data. Take control of your data usage and viewing experience while browsing Facebook on your mobile device. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to disable video autoplaying on mobile data on Facebook. Adjust your settings to optimize your data usage and enjoy a more tailored browsing experience on the platform. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative guides and tutorials. Stay informed about the latest updates and features on social media platforms for a smoother user experience.